Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Wix website. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Wix website from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in wix.com like this and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for Wix website login like this and hit enter, and on the first result there is the login page of Wix. Click over there, whereas on the first tab we are on the home page of Wix. Now to log into your Wix account from over here, you can see the login button available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on login like this, and on the second tab we are on the login/sign in page of the Wix, because we had redirected here from the Google result. You can see the login button available over here. Click on login, and over here you can see both of these pages are same, which is the login page of Wix. Now let's close one of these. Now to log into your Wix account, you will be required to enter your email address over here, and after that click on continue with email, and on the next tab you will be shown a place to enter your password. Enter your password over there, and then click on sign in to log into your Wix account from over here. Or if you want to sign into your Wix account with your Google or your Facebook or your Apple ID, click on these links, and similar pages to log into your Facebook or your Apple or your Google ID will appear. If you log into your Google or your Facebook or your Apple ID from these links, you'll be logged into your Wix account from your social media platform or your Google or your Apple ID. Or if you have an SSO account related to or connected to your Wix account, click on continue with SSO, and you'll be required to enter your email address over here of your SSO. Click on continue, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password. Click on enter your password, and you'll be able to sign into your Wix account, and then you'll be able to see the website related to your account on the Wix. And there, this is how you log into your Wix account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.